Hello viewers and students regarding this faculty. Today we shall discuss about the minor act like Explosive Substance Act 1908. This act is simple to see act, but it is difficult to elaborate and remember, though it is a small act. Now, today we shall study about this minor and important act for the examination of APO and others. So, I will try to explain you in Hindi as well as English as you wish. Thank you. Now we shall start. Explosive Substance Act 1908. Explosive, there are two words, explosive and substance. Here, the meaning of explosive is related with in Hindi, Visfotak. Visfotak in Hindi and explosive in English has an important meaning and different meaning with it. Now, explosive material are so that it gives you it gives you after explosion so many things which you never believed earlier. As for example, as it gives energy. Second, light. Third, pressure. Fourth, sound. And these are very important to note out. These things are related with the explosive substance or explosive material, and from this word there is a word which comes as explosion. Before explosion it is explosive material, but after explosion it becomes disaster for the persons who are present at the point where it blasts. Now, this act has taken place in year 1908 within the premises of English region. The reason was there was that they were very afraid of explosion and explosive material with explosive substance. And so they decided to make an act which can prohibit, which can prevent persons who are responsible to make explosion of that explosive substance. Now, before this act, there was also an act related with the explosive substance, and that act was called Explosive Substance Act 1883. At that time, this act was acted in such a way that no ordinary person can collect, can sell, can transfer, can transmit, and can exchange these material, because these material were very endangering or danger to the life as well as the property. Danger had two things. One is called danger, and if I say serious danger, there are two things: danger and serious danger. And danger means what? डर, आघात, और serious danger. It has more than danger. It has more dangerous thing with respect to danger. Danger had limited intensity, whereas serious danger is very serious, very much more, and which is seriously harmful to the life of a person as well as seriously injured the property. This explosive substance harms to life or property. It always injuries to these important words. In this act, if there is a injury to the property, a person sustain or get life imprisonment. Not only that, but death penalty is also there. Means if life is in danger, serious danger, there is a chance of death penalty. The person is responsible. But in case of serious injury to the property, it also has the same result, and thereby it is for death penalty of a person, which is given in the section of Explosive Substance Act 1908. In 1908, this act came into existence because there was danger to the English administrator that there were a number of cases occurred at that time, and among them Indians were awakened to make explosion against the English rulers so that they could afraid from this act, and they could have gone to their destination. So that Mr. Macaulay was responsible to draft this act, Explosive Substance Act 1908. This is all about your explosive substance. Now, let us say something else. In this act, explosive or explosion had been categorized, had been distributed, had been divided. First is called explosion simple, and second is a special category explosive substance, and usually you can say a special category substance. And this explosion simple related with the things which is committed generally. Suppose you explodes barud, some bomb, which is some material which is used to make the, in local bhasha it is called pataka. But if I say a special category, that does not mean, and it had different meaning with it. Like if I say RDX, if I say TNT, if I say HMX, these are, for example, three things before you, and it is more and more powerful than the ordinary explosive materials. RDX, the meaning of RDX is research development explosion. TNT, nitrotoluene, and HMT, high melting explosive. These are also material, and here there are also material, but in material there is a difference. This is a highly explosive, and it always gives you serious injury to the property as well as life. It is little chance that a person or property may escape accidentally, incidentally. But here, when explosion of these three things at least is taken place, there is no hope of escaping. And there is serious injury to life as well as property. And if there is a serious injury to property, the punishment is death sentence. But by commuting, it comes rigorous imprisonment for life. So we shall see that in this act, the explosive of substance had two different meanings, and while in definition, these two categories have been described, saying section 2 definition of this act, or section 2 bears 1 and 2. In one, only explosive materials are included. But in definition second, it consists the special category substance that is RBS, TNT, HMX, which are which are which are supposed to keep these things legally by the police as well as army and not other person. If ordinary person keeps with if ordinary person possesses it, if a person uses it, it gives serious injury to the property as well as life, and punishment is death sentence, or if commutation is there, rigorous imprisonment of life is there. Except these things, there are punishment of life imprisonment and commutation. After commutation, it becomes imprisonment or rigorous imprisonment for 10 years with fine also. These are the whole things included in Explosive Act. I think you have been taken seriously and understood this. Now, let me say further, one by one, the sections of this Act. First, section first, it is short title and promulgation through all India including now J&K state particularly. Second is definition. In definition, there are two clauses. One is called the explosive substance means and includes the explosive materials. Also with any apparatus, machine, and many others accessories which are needed to make the explosive substance. And in second, the special category substance like highly and gives serious injury in either case like life or property. So, explosive substance has two definitions. One A, 2A is related with explosive materials ordinary. But B is called a special category substance. The meaning hereby is that a special category substance is related with army or police, not for general person. So, if the ordinary person or persons are illegally possess or make their highly liable or that illegal act. Since two subsections are different, so different punishment are given in both the cases. In this section B or clause B, if it occurs by the way, it gives more and more either death penalty or rigorous imprisonment for life or 10 years rigorous imprisonment or with fine. Whereas in this case, rigorous imprisonment is not given, only imprisonment for life or imprisonment for 10 or with fine, which is described by the person who is responsible to punish him. Now, let us see section 3. Section 3, 4 and 5. These three sections are related with the explosive substance and its act. In section 3, the description of punishment is related with the cause of explosion, making, possessing, with intent to endanger to life and serious injury to the property. This is 3, section 3. Section 4, punishment for attempt to cause explosion making, possessing, which is endanger to life and property. Here you see punishment for cause of explosion means there is a direct relation with the person and the explosion. What here is attempt to cause explosion. Like you have read in IPC also, attempt to murder or murder. There are two things. Attempt in Hindi it is called एक्ट करने के लिए या कार्य करने के लिए प्रयासरत, मारने के लिए प्रयासरत और मार देना, दोनों में फर्क है। तो यहाँ एक्सप्लोशन करता है और यहाँ प्रयास करता है। तो निश्चित रूप से इसमें पनिशमेंट में वेरिएशन होगा। और कमाल ये है कि अटेम्प्ट टू एक्सप्लोशन सेक्शन 2A में पढ़ा आपने केवल एक्सप्लोसिव मटेरियल, तो उसके लिए इम्प्रिजमेंट फॉर लाइफ और 10 years imprisonment and with fine. But in case of a special category, in section 3 or 4, in 3 or 4, in 4 also, if a special category is there, then the punishment will be heavily with respect to definition A. Because in a special category explosion, it harms heavily, it injury heavily, so punishment is also heavy. And this is attempt to explosion, and here explosion, cause of explosion. This is the main difference between section 3 and 4. Here it is direct explosion, whereas in section 4 there is attempt to explosion. Now section 5. Section 5. It is very simple. Punishment. Punishment for making, possessing, under suspicious circumstances. You must see the difference between these three sections. One was directly exploded. In section 4, there is attempt to cause explosion. Attempt, and here is punishment for making, possessing. मीन्स यदि कोई व्यक्ति अपने पास एक्सप्लोसिव सब्सटेंस रखता है और बनाता है, आप देखा होगा बंगाल में कि घर घर में वहाँ बम बनाए जाते हैं, तो अब मेकिंग हो गया, निर्माण। उसी प्रकार यदि वह अपने पास रखे हुए हैं, तो रखे हुए क्यों हैं? Why he has keeping the things which is injurious to health as well as property? So, with the intent to harm someone or his property. And so, the condition in which he is ready to attempt cause of action, or somebody has kept the things with it. Then what is intention? Intention is that he is ready at any time, at anywhere, he can make cause of explosion. And this circumstance says, or this situation is called suspicious circumstance. If someone caught by the police in his room having in possession of the explosive material or such explosive substance which is of ordinary condition and which is of special conditions, then he must be given the different punishment. In this way, under suspicion, if someone making or possessing the first things of definition 1, definition 2, as well as the second definition of 2, then the punishment will differ. If he is caught by under suspicious conditions, आपने सुना होगा एक लड़का और एक लड़की एक रूम में या होटल में संदेहास्पद स्थिति से पकड़े गए। आपको केवल समझाने के लिए मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ, अदरवाइज आई से द सस्पिशन कंडीशन, मतलब ही इज ऑन द स्पॉट, he was about to act the things which he was intend to do, intend to commit. Only he was searching the opportunity, occasion that might help him in making the or cause of explosion. So this circumstance is called under a suspicious circumstance, and so he may be given the rigorous imprisonment for life. In this case, a special category, or rigorous imprisonment for 10 years and with a fine. So these section 3, 4, 5 are related with the punishment of keeping, preparing or making the substance or explosive substance with material. Now in section 2 I have said explosive substance means explosive materials, but in that section there is a mention of apparatus, machine or implement. What is the meaning? Meaning that the things which are related with each other, without which only explosive material cannot converted into explosive substance. So the help or support of machine, support of apparatus are necessary to make the explosive substance ready for the action. So here is 3 things, section 3, 4, 5 are very important so far as punishment is concerned. Now let us see next sections, section 6. Punishment for avatars. Perhaps you know the meaning of avatar. हिंदी में उसको कहते हैं उस्काने वाला, उत्तेजित करने वाला, कान भरने वाला। लेकिन यहाँ एक एवेटर्स का क्या मतलब होगा? द पर्सन हु helps the accused or any other person or person to cause of explosion by giving the premises, अपना घर देके, अपना जगह देके। दूसरा सप्लाई, तीसरा by giving some aid, aid, सहायता, पैसा से, रुपया से, सामान से, और some help in transportation, etc. This is called abatement. जैसे आईपीसी में आपने पढ़ा होगा कि 7 वर्ष के बच्चे या छोटे बच्चे को कोई उत्साह देता है कि मारो उसको, फला सामान चुरा के ले आओ। दिस इज कॉल्ड abatement, and who does these things he is called abater. And so if someone says to another person to make cause of explosion, and he also further says that he will help in all these way or any of them, by any of them, so he becomes abater. And there is also punishment given to the person who is called abater. Now, fixed rate of punishment is not given in the action section, but it is description taken by, described provision taken by the person who is responsible to make punishing him. And so the person who is deciding the punishment, he is or he has discretion to punish him in what way he so wishes. Now this is all about your section 6, and last section is section 7, and this is nothing but restrictions on trial of offenses. अब if some courts wants to decide against this act, then what would be the result? So this act never permits a court to go against this act. किसी भी कोर्ट को इससे अलग ऑफेंस जो इसके में किया है उसका ट्रायल कर सकता है, except when district magistrate or the person like of same category can or could give him such permission, then only the court can try or make trial of such offences. Otherwise, no court has power to trial the same offense for the same thing. Only if the parliament or the central government makes some laws to do the some court by fixing him especially or giving especially right to make the trial. In that case only he can try the proceeding, otherwise no court has such power to try. This is all about your Explosive Substance Act 1800. Thank you very much.